क्लास 10th मैथमेटिक्स अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन एक्सरसाइज 1 है और चैप्टर 4 आपका स्टार्ट हो रहा है। नो वी वांट टू नो द अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन। व्हाट इज द अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सी द numbers. Number is going as 2, it is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 and so on. What is the sequence in this number? First two number there is difference is 2, and the second two numbers that is difference is 2, and further the difference is 2, and this one also difference is 2. In this sequence the difference in this series is same, and that is called as common difference. This 2 is the common difference of this series. You can see other series 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. The difference on this 3 and difference between these 3 and here is also 3. So there is difference only 3, and that is the common difference. So it is called as common difference, and this common difference is denoted by D. And in this series this is the first term, in this first term, and first term is denoted by A. And any one terms, first, second, third, fourth and so on, that is called as nth term. Nth term, it is denoted by Tn or An. So we want to check number of terms is number of terms, that is n. So first we want to know the formula of this series. So come to the formula. So your formula is, first formula for this series, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is your first formula. You can learn very well. In this formula, A is first term, so you can write it is first term. N is number of terms in the series, and D is common difference, and Tn is nth terms. Nth term. In this sequence we can do some questions in this series. So we will try to the exercise 1 of arithmetic progression. So come to the exercise first. This is your question. First term and common difference in this series, find the first term. ये series given है आपको और इसमें से first term और, so as you know it is your first term. First term A is equal to 3 by 2. It is called as first term. Now come to the common difference. How can find the common difference? Any two consecutive numbers are subtracting to each other. So it is 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Taking their LCM, LCM is 2. So 1 minus 3, so it becomes minus 2 upon 2. So this will be cancelled out. So we get D is equal to minus 1. So our answer is common difference is this one, and first term is this one. First one 3 by 2 and common difference. This is your common difference. You can find easily. So it is not matter. So it's very simple. Now come to the next question. How can do the next question? Now come to the third question. Second question for your homework. You can do at home. Now come to the third question. What happened in your third question? This is your third question. In this question, find the 10th term of the arithmetic progression 9, 5, 1 and minus 3. So first of all, how can solve this first question? So we will try here. Now first term, that is the 9, this one is 9. So you can write here a is equal to 9. And what is the common difference? Common difference is d. So 5 minus 9, that is minus 4. And number of terms, that is given as 10, which is here. So you can write 10. So formula is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So Tn, so we can say T tenth, a is given as 9 plus n is 10 minus 1 into d is, where is d? Minus 4. So you can write minus 4. What will be happen? 9 plus 9 into minus 4. So it becomes 9 minus 36. So what will be happen? 9 minus 36. How much? It is minus 27. So your 10th term is, you can write 10 terms, that is the minus 27. And that is your answer. I think you can do this question very well. Now come to the second question. Next, fourth question. Find the 40 terms of arithmetic this. In this 40 terms, that is the n, and this your first term, that is a. So first of all, I want to write first term, that is the 100. And common difference, how can find the common difference? It is 70 minus 100. So it becomes minus 30. And what is the value of n? N is 4040. N is given as 40. So you can write here n is equal to 40. Now the formula Tn is equal to, it is a plus n minus 1 into d. So we can find the T40. A is given as 100 plus n is how much? 40 minus 1, or d is given as minus 30. So you can write minus 30. What will be happen? It is 100 plus, it is 39 into minus 30. What will be happen? It is 100 plus, it becomes minus. So you can write it's minus. Now multiply to each other. 3 9 are 27, that is 7, 2 carry, it is 11. So after subtracting, we get minus 1070, and that is your answer. You can do easily. Now come to the next. So question 5th is for your homework. You can do at home. So we want to go the next question. How can do the next question? That is your question number 6. Find the mth terms of arithmetic progression. This is your arithmetic progression. We want to find the mth terms. So how can find this one? Question number 6. First of all, a is how much a? It is 950. And common difference, how can find the common difference? So 900 minus 950. सेकेंड में से फर्स्ट को माइनस करना है. सो वी गेट माइनस ऑफ 50. Now m at terms, so n is equal to m given. So your formula is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here is n is m, so you can write m. A is 950 and plus. N is M minus 1 and D is given as minus 50. So what will be happen? 950, it becomes minus 50M and plus 50. 950 and this it is 1000 and minus 50 of M. So that is your answer. Now come to the seventh question. What happened in seventh question? Last term of arithmetic progression. Last term of arithmetic progression is 8, 15, 22 is 218. Find the number of terms. ये 218 last term, that is the Tn. So how can do this question? The first term is 8 and the last term, that is the Tn. So you can write first term A is equal to 8 and the common difference how can find? It is 15 minus 8, that is 7. And the last term, that is the Tn, it is given as 218. Now apply the formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn is given as 218 is equal to A is 8 plus n minus 1. D is given as 7. So you can write here 7. Now transfer to left hand side. So 218 minus 8 is equal to n minus 1 into 7. So it becomes 210. 7 is going to divide. So it becomes n minus 1. 7 3 ja and 0. So we get 30. N minus 1 is equal to 30. So n is equal to 30 plus 1. So n becomes 31. It is your answer. So question number 8, it is your homework. So you can write at home. This one is your homework. This question is for your homework. Now come to the next question, the question number 9. What will be happen in this question? Common difference of two arithmetic progression is same. If the difference of their 19 terms is 99, then what will be the difference of their 999 terms? As you have remembered, always remember, if any two sequence or progression or arithmetic progressions have common difference same, so their difference in their terms is always be same, whether it is 99, whether it is 999. चाहे आपका 99 हो जाए, चाहे आपका 999 टर्म्स हो, डिफरेंस केवल 99 का ही रहेगा, ये चेंज नहीं होगा. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 का आंसर जो होगा, डिफरेंस इज, यू कैन राइट डिफरेंस इज 99. दैट इज योर आंसर. ठीक है. इफ कॉमन डिफरेंस आर सेम, if common difference are same, so the difference between two terms is always same. So your answer is 99. So that is your answer. Now come to the 10th question. What is the 10th question? In a flower bed, there are 23 rose plants in the first row, 21 in second, and 19 in third row, and so on. There are 5 rose plants in the last row. How many rows are there in the flower bed? फ्लावर बेड में कितने रोज हैं ये बताना है। तो पहले हम चेक करते हैं what will be given in your question. So in this question it is the first, so you can say it is A, so you can write A is equal to 23, and the next one is 21, so series is 23, 21 and 19, and so on. Last one is 5. So A is 23, and what is the common difference? It is 21 minus 23, that is minus 2, and the Tn is given as 5. Find the value of n. So we have a formula for this. Tn is equal to E plus n minus 1 into D. Tn is given as 5. A is given as 23 plus n find करना है, and D is given as minus 2. So what will be happen? So first one minus 23 को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड भेज देते हैं, and minus 1 into minus 2. It becomes minus of how much? 18 is equal to n minus 1, और माइनस 2 को इस साइड पे दीजिए, माइनस 2 डिवाइड में आ जाएगा, माइनस माइनस कैंसिल, और 2 9 जा, so we get n minus 1 is equal to 9, so n is equal to 9 plus 1, so our answer is 10, and that is your answer. So you can do very well. भली भांति आप लोग कर सकते हैं इसको। अब आपको 11th क्वेश्चन, इट इज़ फॉर योर होमवर्क। इसको होमवर्क ही करना है आपको, और करके रखेंगे और मुझे बताएंगे भी कि हाँ होमवर्क कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं। नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 14 क्वेश्चन। इन दिस क्वेश्चन find the mth terms of arithmetic progression whose 12th term exceed the 5th term by 14, and sum of both term is 36, and the 15 which term of arithmetic progression, this one will be 132 more than this 54 terms. The sum of 4th and 8th terms of arithmetic progression is 24, and the sum of 6th and 10th terms are 44. Find the first term and the arithmetic progression. All the questions are same. So first of all we want to do the 14 question. How can do the 14 question? This one is your 14 question. It is given as T12 minus T5 is equal to 14, and the sum T12 plus T5 is equal to, it is given as 36. Okay, what will be happen in this? Let the first term be A. Let first term be A. Common difference of the series is T. Then we can find the Tm. In this question, you can put the formula. It is a plus 12 minus 1 into d minus a plus 5 minus 1 into d equal to 14. It is given. So what will be happen? A will be cancelled to each other. It is 11d and 11d and minus it is 4d. It's equal to 14. So what will be happen? 7d is equal to 14. So d is equal to 14 divided by 7. So we get 2. So it means d is equal to 2. You have to remember d is equal to 2. Now the second one, as you know, d is equal to 2. Now come to the a12 plus 15. So what happened? A12 plus 15. So a12, that is a plus 12 minus 1 into d plus a plus 5 minus 1 into d equal to 36. A that becomes 2a plus it is your 11d plus 4d is equal to 36. So 2a plus 11 and 4, that is the 15d is equal to 36. So 2a plus 15 into 2 is equal to 36. So what will be happen? 2a is equal to 36 माइनस ये कितना हो जाएगा 30. So it is 2a is equal to, it becomes 6. So a becomes 6 by 2, that is 3. That means a जो है आपका 3 आ गया है और d जो है वो 2 हो गया है. फाइंड करना है tm. तो हाउ कैन फाइंड द tm? Come to the tm. In this question, you get a is equal to 3 and d is equal to 2. So Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. N is given as m. So you can put here Tm is equal to a is 3 plus m minus 1 into d is, that is 2. So it becomes 3 plus 2m minus 2. So 2m plus 1. So that is your mth terms and it's your answer. mth terms आपसे इसमें कहा था फाइंड करने के लिए, ये आपकी mth terms है. तो ऐसे ही 2 इक्वेशंस बनेंगी और उनको सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा हमें. Now you can do the next one. 15 and 16, it is for your homework. You can do at home. Now come to the 17 question. 17 question. How many 3 digit numbers are divisible by 3? कितने नंबर हैं 3 digit वाले जो 3 से डिवाइड हो जाएंगे? तो we can find easily. How can find easily? The first number which is divisible by 3, lowest number. How can find? Suppose 101. 100 is lowest number, but it is not divisible by 3. But if it is 2, so it is divisible by 3. 102. So your first number is 102. So series is 102, add 3, 105, and so on. And the last number 3 digit, that is the 999. So in this series, A is equal to 102 and common difference 3, 105 minus 102, that is 3. And Tn is equal to 999. And what is the number of terms? That is the n. N find करना है, so you can apply the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn is given as 999 and A is 102 plus n minus 1 into D is given as 3. So 999 minus 102 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. So what will be happen? 9 minus 2, that is 7. 9 and 9 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. So it is divided by 3. Here is 8. So now divided by this one, how much? It is 897 divided by 3. So it can be divided how many times? It is 299. So you can say it is n minus 1 is equal to 299. So n is equal to 299 plus 1, that is 300, and it's your answer. Now 18 and 19 both are for your homework, so you can do at home. Now come to the 20th question. 20th question. If P8 terms is Q and Q8 terms is P of an arithmetic progression, then prove that P plus Q8 term is 0. चलिए देखते हैं इसको कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे हम लोग. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट द फर्स्ट टर्म बी A and common difference be D. Then apply the formula in both. So we have a formula for Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. It is Tn is given as Q, P8 term is Q. So Q is equal to A plus P minus 1 into D. It is Q, and that is your equation first. And the second, there is P is equal to A plus Q minus 1 into D. That is equation second. नाउ सब्ट्रैक्ट टू दिस इक्वेशन। सेकंड में से फर्स्ट को माइनस करना चाह रहे हैं, चाहे फर्स्ट में से सेकंड को माइनस कर दीजिए, इट हैज़ नो डिफरेंस, सो यू कैन डू द माइनस first minus second, so change their sign. So here is q minus p, but we want to write here minus p plus q is equal to, a will be cancel out, here is p minus 1 minus q plus 1, d as a common, so minus 1 is common, so p minus q is equal to 1 will be cancelled to each other, so p minus q into d. So p minus q cancel out, so we get d is equal to minus 1. That means d हमने जो निकाला वो कितना आया, minus 1 आ गया. Now adding to each other, adding first and second, what will be happen? q is equal to a plus p minus 1 into d, and p is equal to a plus q minus 1 into d. What will be adding? So we get here p plus q is equal to, it's a twice a plus p plus q and minus 1 -2 हो जाएगा और ये d. Now put the value of d. So we get p plus q is equal to 2a minus p plus q minus 2. So change here left hand side, 2a is equal to p plus q plus p plus q minus plus 2. It is minus 2. So here is 2a is equal to 2p plus 2q minus 2. So we get a is equal to, it is p plus q minus 1. So that is your a, value of a. So you can put in the p plus q terms. How can put? Now come to the so now t p plus q terms, and that is a plus p plus q minus 1 into d. A is also p plus q minus 1 plus p plus q minus 1, d is equal to minus 1. So p plus q minus 1, and here is minus p plus q minus 1. Both are cancelled out to each other, and that is 0, and hence proved. बिल्कुल सेम क्वेश्चन आपको 21 और 22 करने हैं, so you can do very well. So that is 21 and 22 for your homework. You can do very well. ये एक्सरसाइज समाप्त हो रही है और मेरे ख्याल से आप लोग सभी लोग कंप्लीट कर लेंगे क्वेश्चंस को सारे. यदि नहीं आता है तो क्वेश्चंस वगैरह अपने से पूछेंगे, मैं फिर दोबारा करने की कोशिश करूँगा. और मेरा वीडियो कैसा लगा लाइक करें, इसको शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें, और जल्दी जल्दी अपनी कॉपी कंप्लीट करके मुझे मैसेज करें कि कॉपी कंप्लीट हो गई है या नहीं। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।